I'm Caroline, and welcome to the Alpaca Project. We're going to have a lot of fun things to do this year. But first, we have to introduce you to our furry friends here. So we have 3 alpacas. Their names are Max, Parker, and Teddy. Parker is the brown one who just ran away from me. Max is the one who just followed him, and Teddy's the one that just followed him. Alpacas are very intelligent animals. They even poop in the same spot. Parker, move. They even poop in the same spot. Welcome to the Alpaca Shelter. This is where they eat and sleep and drink water. So over here we have their water buckets and automatic water feeder. We have 2 different types because during the summer they get super hot with their big coats and they need to have extra water. And over here we have their food. We have 2 different types of feeders. We have a hay stack and we also have a manger. And this just keeps them more engaged when they eat, and that's just for extra food. And in the back we also have grain areas where they eat their grain separately. So this is how you catch an alpaca. You kind of hug them, you grab their neck, and then you kind of calm them down. He just rolled, which is something that alpacas do. Teddy. And so you just want to grab them by the neck, and then you will, sometimes if they start bucking, you'll have to kind of stabilize them. So you put your leg on their chest and bring their head up so that they're closer to you. And Teddy is just photobombing this. Hello. And that is how you catch an alpaca. Okay, also you can see here that, well, we have someone who's rolling. So alpacas, they roll just to make it easier for themselves to fight off the flies that like to come and bother them, and also it's just a nice way to relax. Alpacas get shorn once a year in May. These guys got shorn in May, and now they're growing out their fiber. It used to be super short, but now it's pretty long. I hope you enjoy the animals here at McClellan 4-H Ranch. We hope to see you next time, and hopefully in person this time. Thank you.